By the way, what do you guys think I should name this series? It was a nice day in the island. Petra, the tank engine sisters, were trucking along the tracks, shunting cars in the yard. Meanwhile, at the sheds, some of the engines waited until they were needed. Or every technical difficulties. Alright, just learned something. My new model for Mr. Bagel does not fit under the bridge. Good to know. Alright, everyone, listen up. Pug. Yes, sir. Anyways, you have to go show cars in the yard with Petra and her older sister, Nia. Anyways, Timothy, it's Jordan. That was my actor role as a ghost in that one YouTube movie. Oh yeah. Anyways, you and your younger brother Thomas, you better come over here to the docks. There's someone you want to see, because he was the first E2 on the island of Sodor, and when we found him on Sodor, we shipped him over here to the other part of Britain where we are now. Okay, Mavis, you'll have to shut in the yard with Timothy and Bill. Are you talking about me? No, the one that isn't the one where his name is actually Timothy. Oh, yeah. Well, I keep getting names mixed up because of that role. But anyways, off I go. Start open! Alright, guys. Let's get this. Well, it's tank engine. Oh wait, this camera. Oh my god, this camera. Alrighty, I fixed it. Well, it's tank engine time. Well, it is. By the way, when Reginald is at the back of the train, pretend this is Reginald because I don't have a push-along model for him at all. So pretend this is Reginald for the scene where Reginald is there at the back of the train. But they didn't stop there until they have a long train of cars. So they all tried pulling it. They tried, but one of the problems was that all these trucks were from Sodor. Pull back! Pull back! Pull back! And from the sheer heaviness of the train, not even I could pull this. Uh-oh. Whoa! That was hard. The train was too heavy. Oh, what are we gonna do now? Oh, I'll help. But it'll probably require 3 engines. I'll help as well. Well, yeah, you guys can help. But we'll have each of you guys. These will have to go to. Are gonna have to. I don't think you guys should do it. So maybe we could get like one of you guys to pull it, and the other one on there. And plus, I want Pug to time us to see if we could, to see how much time it could take a doubleheader to get to the other dockyard area. All right, let me just get to the other dockyard area. Come on, let me just get up the hill. Oof. Everyone clear the line. A super long train is coming and puffing along the line. Brace for impact! Huh? What did she say? Uh-oh. This is not funny. This is seriously not funny. Where is Pug? Did somebody call for a pug? What? No one did. No. No one in the world did. No one in the world did. But can you help us? Yeah. With the powers of editing. Wait, no, we're not doing this. I stole them from TT event. With the powers of editing, I command this mess to stop. Yeah, where did you send the trucks to? The Shadow Realm.